Welcome back, fellow filmmakers. Here's 5 ways to become a better filmmaker. Number 1, create videos with whatever you have. If you have access to a phone, film with it. If you have a tablet, film with that. If you have a DSLR, film with that. If you have a Red camera, which for some of you don't know, it is a expensive big budget camera. But if you have that, film with it. Okay, step number 2. Learn from those videos when you make stuff. You need to watch your videos. How does it compare to filmmakers or creators you admire? List out what could be improved. It could be lighting, sound, framing, or something else. You want to make out that list from comparing to other filmmakers. These lists are what you can work on in the future. Then take classes or watch videos on the areas you listed and want to improve. It is best to focus on one area to improve at a time or experiment one experiment at a time. Learn something new, then create something new. You want to improve a small amount each time. Number 4, try new things. Experiment a bit. Try out new lights. Set out microphones in a different way. Try making different types of films and see how it goes. Number 5, get feedback. You need to get viewers' feedback on your videos. See if they get bored at certain parts or if they get confused. Getting feedback should be a constant in video production. You don't have to take every piece of advice, but those suggestions or thoughts should at least be heard. With these 5 ways to become a better filmmaker, it'll help you improve your skills in video production. But most importantly is to stick with number 1 and keep making new videos and experimenting with those videos. Now get out there and make another video.